In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add equalizer effects on your audio on InShot app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, so I have here a video and it has an audio part you can listen in. However, I'd like to go ahead and add some equalizer effect. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on this audio and then you'll see two bars here. On the timeline, we have the video bar and then we have the audio timeline. So I'd like to go ahead and adjust for this audio timeline. So I'll go ahead and click on it or tap on it and then move this bar and you'll see equalizer here. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see it is currently at normal, but you can change this either to bass, buzz, jazz, vocal, and even rock. So if we go ahead and try different, you can listen in.
Glass surfaces. A spider-like window crawler with nanofiber cleaning pads versus glass surfaces. A spider-like window crawler with nanofiber cleaning pads versus glass surfaces.
So you can see that. For instance, I like to choose electric, so I'll go ahead.
Crawler with nanofiber cleaning pads.
And here we go. I have chosen that. If you like to customize them to your own liking, you can now choose this custom. And here you will be able to adjust these vocals or equalizer to your preferences. So that's how you can add equalizer effects on your audio using InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.